and I'm clipping her. I'm not going to be clipping her face or her legs, but I am going to clip the rest of her body. So I've done a little bit on her neck, and I just wanted to give you some tips and tricks for how to clip if you don't want to hire me. I have the Lister Star Clippers, and I got them from Centerline Style Equestrian Boutique here in Vero Beach, and I absolutely love them. They're small enough for my small hands, and since I clip lots of horses, they go really fast, and I'm grateful to Centerline Style for helping me out with these. So let's just get started. The big thing is to get off the large amount of hair first, and then go back and make it look professional. So go like this. Go right against the hair, and we just go up. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll go over it a couple different ways so that I get the full hair off, or the length that I have on my clipper blade. And then I don't get lines, which is the most important. And then I take my brush and I brush down. It goes way faster if we take off the large amount of hair first, and then we go back. Just like if you were writing a paper, you do a draft and then you redo it. You go back, you get the main chunk of hair. So I'm going pretty quick. This also makes my job so much faster and easier. And now I'm going to go back and do that kind of draft thing. Redo the draft. Edit it all. Make it look super professional. My goal is to make my horses look nice, right? As well as any other horse that I'm clipping. I also hate lines in my clipping, so I'm going to work hard to make that not happen. I'm just going to keep at it because that's what clipping's all about. Consistency and just remaining calm and get the job done. There's a couple more spots on her belly, but really it's looking pretty good. And her back. Up here on her shoulder can get sometimes complicated because of how her muscle structure is. The shoulders can be a little bit more challenging, but it doesn't mean you can't do it. You just have to go a little slower. Again, large amount of hair. And we'll take that all off. And then we'll go back. Make sure that back is looking super fabulous. Now, the other tricky part can be making that triangle that I like to do. Right here, and then just making the line so that I don't clip her legs, but I just clip her butt, okay? So we're just gonna go along and do all the other stuff first so we don't cut off too much. And then what I do up, like that. Okay? And then Brush the hair away. And then just draw up. And there you go. And then you go back and fix it afterwards. Just like I said earlier. And then you just go along, just like on your merry way. So now, the other thing that I wanted to show you, since now we have a good triangle, I'm going to actually fix that up a little bit. So now we have a better triangle. And now what we got to do is come up with this line back here. So we just go up. And then we match it. And that's our line. Not too hard. You just keep going. Big chunks first. Go back. As a wrap-up, this is Mel Hitchcock with Mel's Equestrian Services. I'm an equine massage therapist, as well as a professional body clipper and a dressage trainer. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Mel's Equestrian Services, as well as on my YouTube channel at Mel's Equestrian Services. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.